Alton Brown put a twist on grilled cheese sandwiches about 10 years ago by actually grilling the sandwich. Today we're going to taste his method and make grilled cheese. Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make a slightly different version of a grilled cheese. That's going to be called a grilled cheese. And this recipe is stolen 100% from Alton Brown, who I love. He's a great cook, great chef, and one of the smartest people about cooking that I know. He did a video about 10 years ago, and I just happened to find this on YouTube, and I thought that I would try this. 3 ounces of sharp cheddar, 3 ounces of Gruyere, some dry mustard, 1 teaspoon, some smoked paprika, a half teaspoon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. I'm going to use a little spritzer with olive oil to spray on the bread. I'm using sourdough bread, and I've made these little skillets for the grill, where just like he did. And I'm going to put, I fashioned these little, I don't know what you call these walls, aluminum foil walls, so it won't go sliding off into the grill. And we're going to mix this all together. The cheeses are going to be mixed with the dry ingredients. We're going to spray the bread with a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to put it on the grill. All right, and this is right on the nose. Now, look, you don't have to do that. This is for 2 sandwiches. If you're going to make more, obviously, it's about 3 ounces per sandwich. So we're just going to mix these 2 cheeses. Okay, so teaspoon of dry mustard, half teaspoon of, let's get all that, smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. Now, this cheese is not out of a bag, okay? I grated this cheese before we started. Don't use bag cheese. It's not the same, okay? This is much better. It'll melt nicer. It'll taste better. All right, so we're just gonna mix this up with our fingers. Now we're ready to put it on our spatulas. We want to put about half in each one. So we now have both of these spatulas with about half the cheese each. And we're going to go outside with them and the bread and some large pieces of foil. Grilled cheese sandwiches date back to ancient times when people simply put cheese between 2 pieces of bread. In 1861, an English cooking book provided a recipe for toasting a bread and butter sandwich with cheese. In the 1920s, bread became inexpensive and grilled cheese became very popular in the United States. Otto Frederick Rohde invented the bread slicer in 1927, making the sandwich even more easy to make. In 1960, the sandwich became known as the grilled cheese. Today, ours is actually going to be grilled over hardwood charcoal. First thing, we're going to put the cheese on, and we're going to move this around so that we get it nice and melted. Then we're going to spritz our bread just a little bit, both sides. We're gonna put this on. Ooh, that is perfect. That's got a little bit.
Yep.
A little more on that one. I couldn't find my towel. Ooh.
It's in the laundry. Big sink where you left it.
Okay. We're getting real close here. I think that's it.
Good.
That's perfect. I'm happy with that. All right, this one's a little too burnt. These are ready to go. All right, put a top on it. This is for the birds. Put this on the cool side of the grill. All right, so this has been a couple of minutes. And in those bags, we should have some grilled cheese. So we are ready to have a look. Oh, it's nice and stuck, just like you like them. Let's cut one in half. Ah, look at that. That looks pretty good. All right, here we go. Those are good. It's got a little bit more of the paprika and the mustard, but it's definitely upscaled, and it's a delicious, delicious sandwich. You gotta try this. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe and watch my next video. And tell me what country you're watching from. I forgot to say the last time I did a video, I have a lot of people from Vietnam who watch these videos, and I really appreciate it. Tell me what country you're from, and I'll see you next time on
While you're in the kitchen.